If you're looking for a well-equipped family vehicle, look no further. This is a certified pre-owned 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Limited in Baltic Gray. This is a luxury Group 2 package, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors with adaptive cruise control, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote start system. It does have the black appearance group, 29,000 miles on the odometer with a 10.1-inch navigation screen, a rear backup camera system. It's equipped with Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto. It comes with select terrain system, heated second row seats, an amazing dual pane panoramic sunroof, a power liftgate, and it comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. So it's a gas saver, folks. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com and search stock number D6774.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.